Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right, first thing first, perhaps you could uh, introduce yourself in short.
So, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ramil Inas. You can call me Ramdan. So, I'm from Jonggol. No, I'm school in Aiden Boarding School, Pamijahan, Bogor.
Okay, that's it. Okay, do you work or study, by the way? Do you work or study?
In Pamijahan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you work or study?
Study.
Study. What do you study here?
IT.
IT.
Yeah.
Only IT.
Yeah, IT.
Do you think you enjoy learning IT?
I enjoy learning IT dengan English.
Also, you enjoy all of them.
Yeah.
So, do you find any challenging lesson in IT?
Maybe there's no.
There is no. So everything really easy for you.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So I think the hard one maybe Splatter.
Splatter.
Yeah.
Why you think it is hard?
Because we learning Splatter just 1 month, and then our project must done too. And then my teacher is not really what name explain not really clear for the explaining the code Flutter.
The part Splatter. Mm. Do you think you cannot catch up without the teacher, or you can just do the other thing to finish your project?
Uh, with the teacher.
Yeah, but you really need the teacher
Yeah, I'm with the teacher.
to explain that the code, every single code.
Yeah,
Mm,
because after my teacher explain the code, and then we directly make.
okay.
So I hope in the next when my teacher explain, so I want to see first what the code, and then after that in the next day I make the code.
Mm. By the way, did you like ask question to the teacher when the teacher explaining?
Yeah, I always ask about what the function of this code.
Okay, the function of one code. Yeah, you always ask that. All right. So, what project you are currently making?
Now
Yeah,
in IT.
yep.
Actually in IT, alhamdulillah I already done for the Flutter.
Yeah, what project is that?
Is aplikasi Bitaqwa.
Application, Bitaqua application. Yeah,
So
what is this?
this application is like in inside of the application there is video kajian, jadwal sholat, and then zakat. After that zikir.
After the secure, all of that. All right. Okay. So, uh, from IT, you struggle in Flutter. Yeah. After you finish this school, yeah, you are graduated. Uh, what do you want to study for next?
And I continue in Pamijahan.
You continue in Pamijahan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you want to study?
So TKJ,
TKJ.
network engineer.
You want to study about network
Yeah,
engineer. Why do you choose network engineer?
because I see the one who become success is from TKJ. So
So from other
yeah, but
major,
no
not success.
success, but the all of not all, but some of the one who success is from TKJ.
I see. What is success for you?
Success if I already can work in other country.
Okay, work other country.
Mm.
So if you work inside country, it is not success.
Success. So, but the yeah, like that.
Aduh. All right. Hmm. Okay. Uh, you said before you are from Jonggol, right?
Mm.
So do you have anything you like most from Jogol?
No, because in jungle is there's no anything.
There's no anything.
Yeah, he just have forest and river
Forest and
and
river,
mountain.
mountains. All right. So do you hate your city?
No, because I'm born in jungle
You're
until
born
now.
in Jogol. So is there anything that you dislike in your city?
Maybe there is no sir.
There is no.
Yeah,
Oh my God. So you like the river, the mountain.
yeah.
Okay. So how often you visit your hometown jungle?
Uh, one semester, one time sir.
One semester, one time.
Yeah,
One semester, one time. Do you enjoy when you go home?
yeah. Because I can meet with my family.
Oh, all right. Uh, what do you think is the oldest part of jungle?
Is River Cepamingkis.
River
Cepamingkis.
Chipamingkis.
Yeah,
What is that?
there's the river
Hmm.
already old in the jungle like River Cikuluwung.
It's like River Chikuluwung.
Yeah.
Okay. So is there any public transportation you like the most?
Actually, in jungle, just there is angkot.
Just there is angkot.
Yeah,
So there is no other choice.
there's no
So how you what transportation would you like to recommend to people who want to visit jungle?
Grab because in there there's no bus travel and yeah, maybe the good time is Grab.
Oh, just use the
Yeah.
online.
And then if you want to go to jungle,
Hmm.
use Grab. That's so expensive.
It's still so expensive,
Yeah,
but still you recommend that.
yeah, because there's no gain.
There is no other choice.
Yeah,
Okay. So let's say, yeah, imagine that you have the power. I mean, you are the government, part of the government of jungle.
mm.
Yeah. What would you like to change from jungle here?
Maybe for the water.
The water. What happened with the water
Because
in
in
jungle?
jungle is the water is so bad.
The water is so bad. How can you change the water?
Maybe I can make so many sumur bor in jungle.
What is that sumur bor?
Sumur bor is like we
Uh,
ngebor how to say tanah ya, we ngebor tanah
drill,
ya, drill
the the earth.
the earth, drill the earth.
Yeah. And
Yeah, maybe this
do you think when you drill the earth, the water will be clean? What if the
uh,
water still dirty?
make again.
That's the best solution
Mm,
you think.
mm.
Okay. All right. If you if that's the best for you, yeah, I will not argue or something. So would you like to recommend your city to be visited by people with children?
No,
Why?
because in there if the in there just what I said before, in there just there's not anything there.
There
There's
is
no mall and others. So in there we cannot. If we want to go to mall, the if we want to go to mall 1 hours and then we come to the mall.
Oh, I see.
So far from jungle to mall.
Okay. Now we're talking about your house. Is your house big or small?
Small that
Small. Why you think it is small?
because uh, I see small.
You see
Not
it's small.
not like other house in Jakarta like that.
Oh, I see. But do you enjoy staying in your house?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So, what is your favorite part of the house?
Uh, Front of my house.
In front of your house?
Yeah,
Why do you like it?
because in there is so cool.
Oh, it's so cool, refreshing, maybe perhaps you can say. So, mm, how your house decorated? Can you explain?
Mm, no, because when my house decorated, I in Pamijahan.
No, I mean, can you describe how your house decorated?
Mm, no,
You don't know. Cannot imagine what in your house. Maybe in the front. What is in the front of your house? Main
in
house, empty,
okay.
and like that. You can explain.
So in the front,
Uh,
we have for my car, and then in the behind other IDN Jonggol, and then the back is sawah.
what is that? Sawah. What is sawah? Yeah. Do you plan to live there for so long?
Yeah,
You live there. You do not plan to move from jungle.
no,
No. Yeah. Do you have garden by the way?
no.
You don't.
Mm,
Is there any of your family member like gardening?
there's no.
There is no.
Mm.
All right. Let's talk about fashion. Yeah. So, do you care about fashion by the way?
Yeah.
Mm. Like how?
So uh, like someone who success in outside.
Someone.
Mm.
So you just want to look good in front of people.
No, in I want to sederhana.
Oh, so what kind of thing you normally wear when you are just relaxing at home?
Yeah. In home, I just use uh, normally t-shirt.
Mm.
Yeah. And if come to IDN too, same I use normal t-shirt. But
Oh,
if IDN teaching, I use wear pack, not use the normal t-shirt.
okay. Have you ever bought expensive clothes
No.
or any clothing, maybe
Uh,
item of clothing,
okay.
either it is
So
cap
shoes.
or shoes? You
Mm,
bought shoes.
yeah.
Who bought it for you? You bought it yourself?
Yeah.
Mm. Where did you bought it?
In Cibarusah in
Oh,
Jonggol.
Cibarusa Jungle. Did you buy it just for fun or you buy it because you need it?
For my hobby.
So, oh, it's for your hobby. What
Yeah.
is your hobby, by the way?
Futsal.
Futsal. How often do you play futsal?
Maybe 1 week 4 or 3 times.
One week, 4 or 3 times.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. That's quite a lot. So, do you enjoy playing futsal?
Yeah.
What is your position?
Is maybe can be keeper or anchor.
Keeper or
Anchor.
anchor? Okay. So you like keeping or you like guarding the goal like that.
Mm.
Why do you choose keeper as your position?
Yeah, because Ustad Ahmad as me for keeper.
Ustad Ahmad ask you for keeper.
Yes.
Is there any other reason outside that?
Uh,
Mhm.
no.
No, it's just because Ustad Ahmad. It is your hobby. Oh,
The first my position is anchor, and then in home to Sam I become keeper, but I my if my friend tell me I the position is keeper, I will be keeper.
so do you have any role model for being keeper?
No.
No. So you don't have any favorite player, football player or
Oh,
soccer player
football player
yeah,
in other position.
in keeper
Uh,
position?
it's Courtois.
Courtois.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he now in my favorite club is Real Madrid.
Oh, he's in Real Madrid. Or maybe that's the last question in the part one. Perhaps you could describe. Mm,
Number two. Number
okay.
two.
Okay, cue card number five.
That, that. So,
Okay, please.
so I'll explain. The brand of book is the title of book is about success, and then the one who create the book is Terelia, and then I read the book is when I sixth grade. So I'll explain. Uh, the book is tell how to become success. So inside of the book, explain how to become success step by step. Yeah. So and then from that book, I get a motivation how to become success, and then how if the first we do if we want to become success,
That's it.
and then he tell step by step.
Okay. Maybe you can stop your answer by saying thank you. So
Okay.
I know. Okay. Cue card number six, please. Okay, you have 20 seconds. Okay.
So uh, the person is Cristiano Ronaldo, and then he do playing football, and then now he live in Arab Saudi. And then why I choose Ronaldo? Because Ronaldo is make it me motivation how to become the professional playing football. Then he make it the podcast how to become the good playing football step by step.
I see. All right. Okay. Okay. Cue card number two, please.
So
25. Everyone put back the laptop. Yeah.
so the item is t-shirt jersey. I get from my friend. So uh, I get the jersey is when I sixth grade. So this jersey I always use until now. When I playing futsal or football, I always use that jersey. So I very like that jersey.
I see. All right. We move on to the next part. This is the part three. Okay. The part three, we will talk about what is this? Work and career. Yeah. So, what skills, in your opinion, are important for success in workplace nowadays?
Now, from my opinion is decathlon. So why? Because DKP is really easy get money, because if you already become the professional design, and then you already make the example is UI UX poster and then banner. If you already make the good one, you can be sell to other people with the expensive price.
I see. In your opinion, do you believe people should stay in one job for a long time or change job often? Let's say just try and error and then after that change to other. Which one?
uh, Change to other job.
Change to other job. Yeah. Why?
Why? Because actually, if we work in one place, is not because we have a contract too with the what name with the one we work, and then if the one work, he no need we again after that we search other job.
Oh, I see. Okay. Uh, which one do you want to choose between remote work or ordinary work?
Remote work.
You can explain more.
Because in if we work in one place, and then we move to other place, we will get the new experience. So the example in this uh, work we like this, and then in the next maybe we get the new experience, and then the different work.
Do you think the advance of smartphone right now affect the people in negative way more than in positive way?
In positive way, because if we want to work, we need the phone, because we can chat our CEO if we get something wrong on, yeah.
Only that.
Yeah.
Okay, move on to the environment. Do you think individual person or individual effort, let's say, me myself, can help protect the environment?
Maybe yes.
Like how?
Like we effort, effort, work, and then we learning to maybe we can be, I don't know,
Sorry,
we,
do you?
we become success.
It is about environment,
Uh,
not about yourself.
no.
Okay. Yeah, environment,
Uh, no.
nature,
Nature,
environment,
environment,
or you can say ambience.
ambience.
You know that?
Yeah, a little bit.
What is that?
That is career.
Can you explain about environment?
No.
Do you think it is important to keep or to preserve traditional culture?
Yes. Because we need that.
Why we need that?
Because every year will be changed.
Every year will be changed. Saying like what? Every year will be changed. Okay, which one is better for student or for school to teach local culture or international culture?
International culture, because we can be now in other country. That's what, and then we can uh, learning about other language.
What other language?
So the example in IDN we learning English.
All right, maybe that's the last question for me. Yeah, you may leave the class. Thank you.
Thank you.